Hello students, this is Mrs. Reese with the Online Academic Success Center. Our Week 2 featured video is on APA formatting, so if you'll just follow along with my cursor, I'm in the Academic Success Center online. This is the free course available to all online students, and it is listed at the top of your screen when logging in under Special Courses. I'm going to click on the Doc Sharing section. Once I'm in here, I'm going to click on APA Style to see what documents have been uploaded there. I'm going to scroll down, and towards the bottom you'll see right here APA samplepaper.doc. I'm going to click on that one. As a student, you may choose to save this document because every week when you go to complete your application assignments, you can use it as a template. However, for our purposes, I'm just going to open it. Sometimes this takes a minute. Alright, we're up and working. I'm looking at the title page right now. The first thing that I want to see as an instructor in an English class is the word running head is in the upper left hand corner with a colon, followed by the title of your paper in all capital letters. In the upper right hand corner of your paper, I want to see a shortened version of your title, unless your title is only 2 or 3 words long. Otherwise, this header up in here should be a shortened version, meaning that you choose the key words from your title. Over here, I want to see the page number. So if I was a student in this class, in order to do this header, I would need to go up to the top, follow along with my cursor, and I'm going to click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert area, I'm going to go over here to where it says Header and Footer, and I'm going to choose a header. APA doesn't need a footer, just a header. And in order to insert this header, I'm going to choose the first one that comes up. Just insert that blank header. I'm not going to click on it because we already have one there. But once it's entered, then I would go back to the home area and I would make sure to right align that text, which is how you get it typed way over here in this right hand corner. Okay? So I would just click right here. It would bring my cursor on this side of the paper over here on the right, and I would begin to type. Remember, you want to capitalize the first letter of any key word, but here the header is not in all caps. The only area that your title appears in all caps is right here in the running head. Alright, we're going to scroll down. Title of your paper, your name, Southwest Florida College, all should appear here in the center of your cover page. Please remember that everything is double spaced. Again, the title of your paper is not in all caps, only the keywords. Your full name, Southwest Florida College, is written out. Please remember APA is formal, so we don't shorthand with SWFC. And that coincides with the due date. We don't use numbers to indicate dates. We use, for example, January, we would write out. We would not shorthand it with the number 1. We would write it out in full length. Please notice the course number, title of the course, and the instructor's name are not always required, but you might want to go ahead and include them if you're unsure. The table of contents is not always required by all instructors, so that is important that you ask. Notice the header is up here with the page numbers counting. The abstract is a shortened version of your paper. It is like a brief summary. Notice the abstract is not tabbed. Moving on to the body of your paper, this is where we also rewrite the title of your paper, not in all caps, only the first letter if it's a key word. We indent to begin the body, and as you can see, there are some in-text citations. That is going to be our Week 3 feature video for the ASC. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to insert those citations to enhance your paper. And as we scroll down, the last page is your references in alphabetical order. I hope that you enjoyed this feature video for Week 2. Look for more of them. Each week we'll have a feature video, and if you have questions, let me know at nreese@swfc.edu or onlineasc@swfc.edu. Have a great one. Bye-bye.